Is your hair getting grayer sooner than your age? Can we reverse gray hair to black hair? Yes. Then this video is for you. Before we start, if you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon next to the subscribe button so that you'll get all the notification whenever I upload a new video. Reason for getting gray hair at early age. Our black hair is due to the melanin pigment. This pigment is made of melanocyte. These cells position themselves in the hair follicles close to the skin surface. It slows down as we get older. Other reasons for graying of hair are family history, that is genetics. In your family, if more number of people are getting gray hair at their early age, then there is a chance of getting gray hair for you is also quite possible. Exposure to chemical treatment, bad diet, mental and emotional stress, lack of water content in the body, deficiency of vitamin B12, iron, copper, decrease in thyroid hormone level, and also smoking and medicines which you are taking, in that if you have a chloroquine, that leads to gray hair. In Ayurvedic terms, the excessive pitta in the body, that is if you have hot spices, spicy food, caffeine, pitta goes and manifests in the roots of the hair and burns the nutrition, and this results in a gray hair. And common myth I want to tell is that if we pluck a hair and we get many gray hair, but this is not true. If you want to prevent premature gray hair, you need to create melanocyte from the melanocyte stem cells. For that, we need to avoid stress, eating high antioxidant diet, lowering the acidity in the body by decreasing intake of the sugar, alcohol and caffeine. So now I'll tell you what diet you can follow. Eating leafy greens, fresh fruits and vegetables like carrot, capsicum, lettuce, have regular scalp massage, oxygenate your hair follicles. And next step is having calming foods. Coconut water is the best remedy, and this will come under the calming food. Regularly you can take the coconut water, and at the same time you can extract milk from the coconut and use that milk for your curries. Till now I explained internally what we can take as a food to reduce the gray hair. At the same time, topically we can apply some home remedies so that we can reverse gray hair to black hair. So today I'm going to share 2 effective treatments which are going to give a good effect to you, and it will surely reverse from gray hair to black hair. Now I'm going to share 2 treatments with you all. Both the treatments are very easy and effective. Treatment 1. 1 tablespoon or as per the length of your hair, take henna powder, 2 tablespoons of fenugreek, 5 tablespoons of amla powder. Mix, soak in water overnight in iron pot. Apply every day for 2 weeks. You will get black and beautiful hair. Treatment 2. In treatment 2, there are 2 steps. Step 1. Take cold pressed coconut oil, add curry leaves, dried sponge gourd, hibiscus flowers and leaves, and boil it for 10 to 15 minutes in low flame and keep it aside for cooling. Add 1 tablespoon of tea powder, methi, nigella seeds or kalonji seeds, gooseberries, dried powder you will get easily in the market, and boil this for 10 to 15 minutes. Keep it aside, let it cool. And now mix step 1 and step 2 and store in a glass jar.